In 2025, I predict that businesses will hire more AI chatbots than employees. In this video, I'm going to show you two business examples of how to use AI chatbots to one, generate more leads, and two, improve your customer service. But first, let's answer what are AI chatbots, or also commonly known as AI agents. The problem with AI models is they don't have information that's specific to your business, the products that you sell, the prices, common FAQ questions about your business. So that is what's called local knowledge. So taking that local knowledge and adding that to a already built AI chatbot now makes this chatbot the most powerful employee that knows everything about your business, that can now answer custom questions from new customers or from existing customers, and they're able to run 24/7, 365, and never take a day off work. But the most important thing is they cost a fraction of a full-time employee. So that's why you're going to see a lot of these AI chatbots only in businesses that are leveraging AI. So now imagine that this AI chatbot knows everything about your business, your products, your services, can answer questions in real time, and can answer them on your website, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, Slack, and through custom integrations like Zapier, where then they can answer questions by text. And did I mention they run 24/7, 365? That's amazing. Let's take a look at a demo. For this example, we'll use real estate, but it really doesn't matter. So imagine a chatbot on this website that knows everything about all the listings and can answer questions in real time for the customer, guiding them quicker towards a sale. So all I did was quickly scrape some information from the website, put it in a document, and fed it to the AI chatbot. Now the chatbot knows everything about all the listings that this realtor is offering, for example. So here's an example of that chatbot that knows everything about the listings on the website, where the prospect can ask a very specific question, such as, what listings do you have in Los Angeles that have 2 bathrooms? And as soon as we press enter, bam, instantly get the answer, scrapes and knows all the data, and says, hey, in Los Angeles, I have this listing with the address, the price, the bedroom. I go, not bad. That's pretty good. I could even ask it follow-up questions like, which ones have more than 5,000 square feet? Press enter. Bam, it reads all the data and instantly knows exactly the answer and says, hey, check out this address that has over 5,000 square footage. Then it also acts as a lead generation tool, better than those website forms, for example, which are going to become obsolete. I could then ask a question like, how do I book an appointment to view the home? Press enter, boom. And it knows the contact information. Here's the phone number to call, but also here's our Calendly link where you can book a time completely automatically. This is true automation. And the reason why this is not only powerful, but an insane competitive advantage is if you've ever been in any market, for example, you know whoever replies quickly to the customer faster wins the sale. I used to work at a real estate startup. We had less than 2 minutes to follow up with the lead before we lost it to a competitor. So imagine having an AI chatbot that instantly engage the user, answer their questions, and capture their contact information and automatically booked an appointment in less time than having the user waste time scrolling around trying to find information, getting overwhelmed with the complexity of your website, only to get frustrated and leave your website, which you probably have a low conversion rate on your website to tell, or a bounce rate, for example. And this is how chatbots can help you generate more leads faster and easier on your website. Let's now take a look at a second powerful example, improving customer service. Your customers always have questions about your products, your services, and rather than wait 24 hours or 8 hours for an answer, you can have an AI chatbot on your website or given to your customers that they could chat with 24/7 that knows everything about the common, frequently asked questions for your business. So in this example, here's an Airbnb questionnaire, for example, where they're like, hey, what's the check-in time? What's the checkout time? What's the Wi-Fi password, for example? And then rather than waiting hours for an answer, they could get an instant answer from a custom chatbot. So here's a question where I can ask, hey, what is the checkout time? And instantly I get an answer saying, oh, checkout time is 11 a.m. Personalized, it's custom, and it's quick and fast. Imagine the improved customer service that your customers will have such a great experience having all their questions instantly answered versus being frustrated, waiting for hours for one of your employees to log in to try and answer the question, wasting both your company's and your customers' time. I could ask another follow-up question like, hey, what is the Wi-Fi password? And this is in real time. Bam, it knows all the information about your business and can give the customers the exact answer that they were looking for. This is incredibly powerful. And we know how competitive businesses are on positive 5-star reviews. So imagine having a custom chatbot that instantly answers the questions, providing a much improved customer experience versus businesses that make their customers wait hours or the next day to just get a response from your business, which will then lower your 5-star review and then prevent you from getting more business in the future. So let's review. These chatbots know everything about your business, your products, your services, and commonly frequently asked questions. They could be deployed on your website, social media app, or by text. And the two most common business use cases are A, generating more leads, and 2, improving customer experience. And that's why I predict in 2025, businesses that are using AI chatbots and agents will be able to generate more revenue and have a better customer experience, thus crushing their competition that isn't leveraging AI in their business. And this could work for any product or service on the internet. If you want an AI chatbot built custom for your business, I put my contact information below. Go ahead and send me a message and we can have one custom built for your business so you can have a competitive advantage. I'm Jonathan Acuna, your AI expert. Man, AI is changing every week and businesses that are using it are going to have an insane competitive advantage. Especially, it'll be mandatory for all employees to be experts in AI in order for them to keep their jobs. Like, this industry is changing super fast. So subscribe so that you can keep up to date with AI, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.